n'est pas la question. Merci. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Fael. For those of you who don't know, I am a content creator and an art director based out of Montreal, and this is my life. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around. Morning was a little rough. I'm not gonna lie. I did not want to get out of bed. I just wanted to sleep in, but my body forced me awake. So here we are. Later on today, I'm doing a floral workshop, which should be really fun. I'm bringing a friend along. I'm gonna try to see if she wants to go out for dinner afterwards. I was having a hard time this morning trying to figure out what to wear. I tried looking for some inspiration on Pinterest, and to be honest, I still came up with nothing. I want something that's gonna be cute, comfortable, cozy, but like also very girly and fun. So let's figure this out because I have no clue what to wear. Guys, I'm not even gonna try to be a little bit original. I'm essentially gonna be wearing the same outfit that I wore yesterday for church, but I am remixing it, okay? So guys, we are on our way to stop number 1 for the day. I'm just sitting in this car waiting for my friend Sheena. She's gonna be joining me for this activity. It should be a very fun afternoon. I'm very excited about this flower workshop. A friend of mine is actually putting it on. She has her own flower boutique business, and it's essentially eternal flowers, like the flowers that don't die, that come in those beautiful boxes. It's called boîte à fleurs. So they're doing a little workshop, and basically we're going to be putting these flowers together ourselves, which I'm very excited about. I think it's going to be really fun. But now I'm just waiting for China. I'm waiting for this girl to join me. I'm at the metro station and we're running a little late. We were supposed to be there at 1 and it is 1:15. It's not too bad, but we're going to try to get there for like 1:20 max because we're like 2 minutes away from this workshop. So hopefully they will forgive us for our tardiness. And we're going to be able to join the workshop not too late. So I'm very excited about this. Can't wait for you guys to see our flower arrangements. And I'm thinking after we're done, if China has a little bit of time before studying, I might go thrifting a little bit together, or maybe an even better idea, maybe we go get ramen. That could be very, very fun, but we'll see what the vibes are. We'll see how we're feeling. But right now, I'm feeling something cozy. I'm feeling something warm, nice. And I think that ramen might be it. So anyways, I'm just gonna chill and wait for China. Guys, there goes my Pookie. Look at her. My window is so dirty, but look at her. My gosh. Guys, my Pookie. Oh my gosh, my love. You know when something looks a little bit too... Yeah. Guys, there was like one of those like weightlift elevators, but sometimes I get so paranoid about things like that. Like I can't just be stuck in the elevator. It's like my worst fear.
If it looks like it's not working, it's not working.
I'm just like, you know what? We're just gonna get our steps in. It's just gonna be one of those days. We're gonna get... Exactly. 6 floors? What's that? Nothing. But we made it. I think it's gonna be fun. We'll be fine. I'm excited about this. I think the space is gonna be really pretty. I get the feeling, and I feel a little less bad because we're not the only ones that are not.
No, we're literally bringing people with us. So.
But I'm excited. I think it's gonna be really fun.
Same here.
Sheena, I was floating by the vlog the idea of either going thrifting after this or ramen. Ramen. Okay, that's what I was saying. I was like, it's giving like a day.
Weather, yes. A good hot soup.
Oh.
Yes, and then debrief.
Yes. Okay, we're on the same page. We're getting. Let me not fall. We're getting ramen after this, guys.
100%.
Earlier, we're gonna do a fit check.
You look elegant.
Si vous voulez avoir un thème de couleur, vous
Finally get to pick flowers.
For you, choose yours.
I did.
Cute.
Guys, this is the part that we're excited about. We're finally gonna start building our flower bouquets. There you go. Because I want mine to like sit like deep within the...
Right.
Ah, voila. There you go.
You got it.
I'm happy. First flower in. I feel like so aggressive poking holes.
I know. Some of them are not like.
You know what I'm doing? I'm like poking holes through the plastic first.
I wish there was a thing that we could pull. Because this is definitely not gonna go in.
It's so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I'm breaking some of the flowers by.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I think
Maybe poke your holes before.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, you know what? Oh, I should use the pen.
Or that too. Here.
I'm gonna poke holes with the pen. Oh, smart. You're so smart, Tina. Et pour ça, maman, t'es voyée de l'école. Did your mom ever say that to you?
Of course. 100%. Ma pour l'école pour aller faire jouer. Pour l'école pour aller apprendre. Pour avoir une éducation.
Anytime I do anything right, I'm like, c'est pour ça que t'es voyée de l'école. Okay, Sheena, tell me about your creation.
So, my creation is chaotic.
Yes.
But it's beautiful.
I love all...
That's my signature.
Chaotic.
But beautiful. You know? She has little pink, a little yellow, you know, blue on the inside. It's giving.
It is giving.
100%.
I love the pops of yellow. It's very fun. It's very eclectic.
Right.
I don't know what these are called, but they're very pretty.
You know?
And
Surrounded by the bouquet.
Surrounded by the bouquet.
Yeah.
I love that.
I'm happy to hear.
Aww. I don't really know that I did anything crazy. I just kind of wanted it to be really cute, really compact. I feel like that represents me very well. Just like very together, very just, you know, cutesy. I like these little flowers that I added to the roof because I wanted some organic, but the rest of it is just, you know, free flowing and a little bit adventurous. So that's my bouquet.
Love it. It doesn't feel like we're in Montreal right now.
It doesn't.
It feels like we're in New York.
New York. New York City.
New York City.
So this is actually a perfect spot. Let's fill out our ramen cards.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, guys. This is like my favorite ramen spot in Montreal. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing. Okay, she loves ginger.
Is that ginger?
It is ginger. What did you think it was? What did you think it was?
Girl, that's too much ginger.
That's a lot of ginger. It hits right.
It hits the spot. And c'est bien chaud.
This is exactly what I want to take you today.
Yeah.
Like when I tell you, this is exactly what I want to take you today. Vlog is starting a little bit abruptly, I should say, and that is because I am on my way downtown to Crew Collective Cafe because I was invited to be a guest panelist on a panel that's all about influencing, nano and micro influencing, and I'm so excited. I've never done anything like this before. I'm a little bit nervous. It starts at 5, but the panelists are supposed to be there at 4:30. So I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna cut this intro short and I'm gonna try to bring you guys along as much as possible. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to bring my tripod or anything like that, but at least like get a couple clips of like what's going on in the room, and maybe we'll even get like a little bit behind the scenes, other things that I'll end up saying this evening. So anyways, this is a first. You could tell by my breathing, I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it's gonna go well. And I just thank God for opportunities like this because truthfully, like sometimes I look at what I'm doing and I'm like, I feel so underqualified, but God is the God that will place you in places that you could never imagine for yourself. He'll put you in rooms where everyone else by all standards will agree that like you do not make the cut, but he says that you make the cut and therefore you end up in that space. So sorry, I'm getting a little emotional. I'm just very, very grateful and I'm very excited about this. So I will see you all in the very next clip. Okay guys, I just got here. I'm parked across the street. By the grace of God, I found parking right across from the location. But I figure I might as well give you guys a quick little OOTD before I run in. So here is the outfit real quick. A beautiful venue. It is a very popular cafe in Montreal and the whole place is closed down just for this event. It is so stunning in here. Like I'll show some b-roll clips a little bit later, but I think that this is gonna go really well. I'm very, very excited. I met some of the panelists and the ladies are so wonderful. And Steve, who is going to be moderating the panel, I've actually met before. So I'm very excited about that because it definitely makes me feel a lot more comfortable. The panel should be starting in maybe like another 20-ish minutes. Grab myself a little drink, a little glass of water because I'm thirsty. And yeah, get this thing going. This is a better look at my outfit because I don't think that you could see my outfit when I was outside, but it's just this knit dress and the little purse, and that's the look.
qu'on souhaite et qu'on contribue en fait à la transformation des industries culturelles.
Qui a été issu de la communauté campagne, qui a commencé à se voir sur les grands médias.
Non, c'est sûr que oui, je pense que la communauté communauté a un grand impact sur les trends qu'on voit partout. Je pense qu'on a vraiment des employés en passé pour voir comment est-ce qu'eux se sont sentis en travaillant là-bas. C'est quelque chose que je considère beaucoup.
Moi, j'ai un point de vue assez différent parce que c'est une très bonne question parce que je travaille.
Guys, the evening just ended. I figured I might as well give you guys my immediate thoughts. I think that went super well. I had so much more fun. I did not expect to enjoy that whole process as much as I did. Everyone there was so lovely. Sylvain and Fiona, such wonderful girls. I love talking to them. They made the evening so wonderful. And even the people at the agency that we connected with as well today, they were wonderful. So it was so great to be able to be there, share my perspective, and this is so cute. She even let me leave with some flowers. Like, listen, that is the way to my heart. I really loved every moment of that. And I think I'm gonna have to add panel or like speaker on my LinkedIn from now on, because I would love to do that more often, because it was just so cool to be able to share my perspective with people and talk, and just to see people's reactions, and then also to put myself outside of my comfort zone was just so cool. So anyways, that is my evening. I'm gonna head back home and I'm gonna have an early night. I think I'm gonna take one of those everything showers and watch a movie, do something really cozy and comfortable, and yeah, go to bed. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip.